near my house there was this one auntie who had like 13 or 14 cats. People used to call her Pussy Auntie. Alright, so today we are going to the Mumbai's most viral cheesecake place. So let's go. Alright, so this cafe's name is Bask and it's in Bandra. Like, I don't understand why do all the viral cafes have to be in Bandra. But anyway, we are already at the location. We are in Bandra. And I'm just waiting for my friends. They are like running late. So, yeah. But yeah, it's right that side. So, I'll just wait over here. This corner seems very peaceful. Alright, so also looked up the cafe's menu and they don't only sell cheesecake, they sell other things also like your regular pasta, croissants and stuff. So yeah, that's a good thing to know because I don't want to eat something sweet directly. I'm like damn sure my friends will take like maybe another 15-20 minutes to reach. So I'll just roam around till then.
Oh my god, you gotta do camera shit.
Yeah.
Crazy.
Say hi. Alright, so two of us are over here. Come inside.
Which car was on 10 minutes? He's literally like,
Oh. Anyway, we are ordering. What are you ordering? Your cake.
Bandra cheesecake.
Bandra Bask.
Bandra Bask.
Can I get a grilled cheese? It's so like cheese.
Bishki just ordered. We are going to rate her. Alright, do you think?
Why are you gonna rate me?
Rate her.
No, not her.
Minus.
Alright, we are going to rate the cheesecake. What do you like? In your opinion, out of 5, how much is the cheesecake? Like, which one did you order? Bandra or Bask?
Yeah.
How much
I
is
think
that?
it's a solid. If that thing didn't live in my mouth, I would let it live in my mouth.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh
Real. Bestie real. Also me and Mingyu.
For me and me.
Enough for real, valid.
It do be like that sometimes. The parasocial relationships,
Parasocial relationships are real, yes.
Especially when it's K-pop.
Especially when it's high GL.
I'm going to feel a bit lonely.
Please, we are Cayman.
I don't have parasocial. That's not parasocial relationship. No, that's like he's like my idol. Wait,
Do you thirst over them?
He's very Sati Savitri.
Really? Oh, like Pativrata Nari type? Fair.
Like he will just find one person, he will stick to them so hard.
yeah, that is. See, I am loyal. You know your skills are being showcased on camera.
Why would you do me like that? I am literally.
It's fine. It's good to embarrass yourself from time to time.
And I'm
But
doing
keep
it
that
nicely also.
People like stupid people. You'll get some hits.
That is why I like Shubham. I would never.
No.
Damn, you're really going for his throat today, bro. Damn.
I would never like Shubh if he had.
I was into choking one, not this one.
No, listen. I would never like Shubh if he didn't have anxiety issues.
To be fair, mental illness makes people better.
Yeah.
It makes them more likable.
Very, very attractive. See?
I am scared.
Shubh was my first internet crush.
So real.
I saw Shubhan saw femboy potential.
I saw Shubham and I was like, e-boy material.
E-boy, yeah, very e-boy. He used to wear only black before.
Yeah. Because only have the
I was
black long
confused.
hair.
I was confused if he was like gothic or just e-boy.
Oh, I thought he was like a mix.
I was gonna wear black
I
but
thought it was a mix.
A mix.
Yeah, I thought he had, like, he has a female mom and a male dad, so he is
Yeah.
so like
female
Wow,
mom
female mom and a male dad. It'd be funny if I had a male mom and a female dad.
Yummy.
Anything with cheese just slaps.
Cheese and bread.
This is like 400. 3.
or 5.
3 on 5. What was this?
That one's a mushroom sandwich.
Mushroom sandwich. Yeah, this is like 3 on 5. Like very good.
I think it's a solid 4 for me.
Or
Hmm?
I would have liked it better if it was non-veg.
If it was chicken, it would have like. If it was chicken, it would be like 5.
Bro,
ठीक है तो
it
सुना
was
सुना
solid 4.
That is.
ठीक है सुना सुना है.
Mushroom one.
This is probably the best one so far.
Yeah.
I was rating that only. Yeah.
Yeah.
Wait. So that. Oh yeah. I rated that 3.
We're judging you.
The sandwich is judging me.
The grilled cheese. 3.
Yeah. Grilled cheese is kind of possible.
Look at this cheese and bread. How can you go wrong?
Really?
Like,
It
it's
has.
very
It has
predictable
cheese
flavor.
pull. Did it have
Not
cheese
really.
pull?
No. Whatever this is though, holy shit.
Milky sauce.
This is like 2 for me.
High standards.
This one was much better. This no. This one.
Yeah,
Yeah, that-
I don't know what the mushroom is for.
Yes, it's way better.
Yeah.
I'll never understand how white people survive.
3 and this is 2.
How white people?
Yeah. How white
Well,
people
four.
survive without like mirchi masala.
I swear, bro. You think खत्म हो गया? I am sitting through guys sandwiches.
हर आने का हर पैसे का वसूल होएगा.
I need all chocolate on deck.
Yeah.
Sure, please. Yes.
I fully misheard that sentence and I was concerned for a second.
I was not.
So coming from Vishnu, I would be very concerned.
चॉकलेट डाल दी वो.
Yeah, she needs it even.
चीज केक का अभिषेक कर रही है गाइस.
Shake. Abhishek. Abhishek kar.
Ah, that's too much chocolate. Fuck.
Too much of chocolate.
Cheers.
Wait.
I will just be normal and take a normal amount of chocolate.
All right, let's try. Yeah, it's really good. Wait, they're actually nice. What the fuck?
That's what we've been saying.
Dude, it's so good. Like this cheesecake is so good. Like, okay, so it's like the chocolate is really good. Okay, and it's like really cheesy, very light and cheesy. Stacy, more cheesy than your last boyfriend.
What the fuck?
More cheesy than the guy
I
who's
think
in your
you should
DMs.
stop laughing when he makes jokes like that.
Now we should not laugh.
Like I will personally put like crow sounds behind.
Or like the bottom hiss.
Yeah. The crickets in the back.
This shit slaps.
It's so light, I love it.
I thought it would be heavy.
That's the thing.
Cheesecakes are light only, no?
No, the cafe near my house serves cheesecake that is kind of
Ideally,
heavy.
That's not a cheesecake.
Like a lot of them here are like dense as hell. This one's pretty good. Wait, do you like cats now?
I like all the animals.
I have a hot spot for your vlog.
Oh
There are
yeah?
like 23 cats down the lane.
Let's go.
Hopefully they're there and they're not being.
I'm gonna suggest something
Oh, what?
that I don't know how it will be taken, but I'm gonna suggest it anyway.
Say it. I'm thinking the same thing, so say it out loud. I'll just support you.
One more?
I don't mind. They keep the bar. They keep the Bandra bar.
Yeah.
But change the Wuji Wuji on top.
Wuju wuju on top.
Oh my god, get a
Like the chocolate
After taste
one,
is not good.
I have.
Yeah, it's like giving too sour
Yeah.
kind of undertone. And not undertone, sorry. Aftertaste.
Undertone.
Undertone बोल दिया मैंने. But yeah, the chocolate one was more better. This is like. Yeah, the chocolate one is 5 on 5.
For some reason, this feels wrong when you eat it.
This feels like a childhood eater.
I would eat this when I was like in the middle of a breakdown.
If you had given me only the breakdown,
Yeah, this is like a breakdown binge thing. I wouldn't eat this by choice.
like this is for when you feel sad, and the chocolate one is when you feel happy.
Like I don't deserve
Not have this.
the I don't deserve the joy of chocolate right now. So let me.
There was the chocolate tasted very different.
Yeah.
Not like the normal chocolate you have. It had more richer taste.
एकदम मैं भी कर सकता हूँ.
How you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really.
Alright. Yeah, this cafe was viral for a reason. The cheesecake is like really good over here, so y'all can try. Wait, Bhavishka. This is like some cat street in Bandra. Cat street. Is this what they call? Like is
Unofficially.
unofficially cat street.
Like look, the footpath will tell you everything you
Oh,
need to know.
that is actually nice.
Like it is
There are-
really cute.
Yeah.
You can really tell someone, like, you know, some cat just wanted to fuck with the construction area.
Also, you know, just the fact that this is like this is solid. So how did the paw print come up there? Nobody knows because this is the tile.
Oh yeah. Wait, these ones are like very clear.
Oh, pretty heavy cat.
Very heavy cat.
It must be Ghundu only.
Peoria. Where are the cats?
Are ginger?
ये क्या है?
Ginger does not give a fuck.
Half the cats are just missing.
Pushkar, you said this is cat street.
This is half of them are just
Where are
missing.
the cats?
Where are the cats? Like there are no cats.
So literally all just missing.
Meow. Oh my god, there are so many cats.
I think I told you they're like shit. Oh my god, Biscuit!
Biscuit?
Hello, Biscuit! How are you? This is my favorite cat.
Oh my god. Hey.
She has she has severe anxiety.
Hello. Oi. No, don't do that thing on me.
fat ass one who did not move his bone.
Who, this one? Oh my god, this is a watermelon. You're literally a watermelon. Are you friendly?
All of them are really nice.
Okay, this one is friendly. I low-key get scared when touching cats.
Oh, no, fair enough.
Chonky ass mofo.
Oh, they're all over the place. See, there's 3 of them there.
You know, near my house, there was this one auntie who had like 13 or 14 cats. People used to call her Pussy Auntie.
That is insane.
Yeah. And our shuttlecocks and cricket balls used to go in her only house and end up in cat poop. Oh, they started fighting again.